Welcome back. The 911 still my dream car. The 911 9112 is the previous one. The 992 rocks everything. This baby here is old. It's built 2015, but it still looks awesome. It's stunning. Driving performance with a stock suspension, not that pretty, but I love that customer for bringing us that baby here. He decided for 20-inch wheels, Vossen GNS1 tailored solution like always. Plus, we installed the KW V4 active damping. It drives perfect now. The perfect car, 2 mods. For me, it's the perfect Porsche. Porsche, how do you pronounce it? I always say Porsche. For me, it's a Porsche. And it's a driving machine. I want that baby so bad. If you comment that video and like that video, maybe one day I'll drive a Porsche and of course I'll modify it and you can be part of it. Like always, our service contains free washing. You bring your car dirty and we'll make the best out of it. It's pretty clean. We went out to washing and of course hand wash only. Filled the gas tank to 100%, 102 octane. You don't get it in the US, don't you? We here at our application in Munich, Bavaria. Our customer came all the way from Cologne to modify it right here. We'll meet at dinner later, running out of time. So let's get some nice and dope, clean shots. See you next time. Peace out.